Uh, Assalamualaikum, beloved Huzur.
Wa alaikum salam. Pray that I can understand your accent. Acha.
Huzur, my name is Umar Faruk Zafrullah. Regarding to my education, that's biomedical science, what is a suitable or relevant research topic that will be useful for Jamaat?
So when you get admission, and then supervisor, your university will give you some topics.
Okay.
Then when you receive topics from the university, then you should ask me, then these are the topics which university or my professor have suggested for me. So which of them should I pick? Huh? At present you don't know what type of research you are going to be given. So when you get admission, then you ask your professor, whenever your professor gives you any topic, or he gives you the option that these are the topics, pick any one of them. Then if you want to seek any guidance, then you ask me, right? Then I will tell you what type of topic you should do, right?
All right.
Then you can write to me.
Okay. Thanks for your guidance.
All right.
Yeah. Jazakallah.
Wa alaikum salam. Next.